Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad FAIZAL bin Muhammad NOOR. Number matrix 1210603. I am from group KSC1. From this video today, I will share to you guys about from subject SKJ2053 discrete math by subtopic relation. In this video, we'll have three contents that I will share to you guys. First, introduction, a brief about relation, and second is example. I will give some example using relation, and lastly is conclusion, summary of this topic. Okay, let's move on to introduction. Okay, what is relation? The relation can be stated as a set of ordered pairs in discrete mathematics. It is used to link an object from one set to another, and both sets must be non-empty. There may be two or more sets in the relation. For relation have many types that can be used, but there are commonly three of type that we usually use using relation, and they are reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. There are many type of relation that we can choose, but for today I want to share to you guys if one of the relation that usually we are using in our real life. They are transitive. What is transitive? Transitive assume that one set of A contains three elements A, B, and C. If A related with B and B related with C, then A will have a relationship with C also. From that, we can conclude that means the relation is transitive. From that, we can make one description for transitive relation. If A relate with B, element of R, and B relate with C, element of R, then A relate with C, element of R. For all A, B, C, element of set A. Now we can move on to one of the example that I can give from transitive relation. For example, I will choose food chain of animal at paddy field. Okay, now I will take set X for animal at paddy field. X equal to paddy, grasshopper, snake, and owl. For the relation is R equal to grasshopper eat paddy, and snake eat grasshopper, then all eat grasshopper, and all eat snake in the paddy field. We'll move on to the relationship figure. We can see that all eat snake, and also all eat grasshopper, and also snake eat grasshopper, and grasshopper eat paddy. From this relationship, we can see the predator are eating their prey are relate to the transitive relation. By using the transitive relation, we can see that if all eat snake, element of R, snake eats grasshopper, element of R also, then all will eat grasshopper, element of R, for all element of element X. For this example, we can agree that food chains at paddy field have a transitive relation that we can relate in our real life. Next, we will move on to the second relation that I can give is connection in family tree. I using set X there are Ah Chong, Ah Meng, and Ah Leng, and their relation is Ah Chong is related to Ah Meng, and Ah Meng and Ah Chong relate to Ah Leng, and Ah Meng relate to Ah Leng. By this relationship figure, we can see that Ah Chong as a father relate with Ah Meng as their father. Then Ah Meng relate to Ah Leng as a sibling. From that, we can see Ah Leng will relate with Ah Chong as daughter also. By this, using this figure, we can see they are having transitive relationship. From that figure, we can use relation transitive description. If Ah Chong, father of Ah Meng, element of R, and Ah Meng is sibling of Ah Leng, element of R, then Ah Chong is father to Ah Leng, element of R, for all people of element X. There is totally, we can agree that family tree will also using transitive relation. And lastly, what I can conclude from this video is, even at the high school level, discrete mathematics, especially relations, allows students to quickly and easily explore difficult and interesting real-world topics. And one more thing that I can learn from this topic is, discrete mathematics is a cluster of mathematical subjects that are crucial to solve any computer science programming problem. By this, we can see that discrete mathematics is a useful tools that are very useful in science and technology fields. And that's all from me that I can share to you guys about relation in this video. And lastly, thanks for watching.